How to get a BT Plus free trial. BT Plus offers a 7-day free trial for new subscribers, allowing access to exclusive movies, TV shows, and original content. Follow these steps to activate and manage your free trial. Step 1. Choose a subscription method. BET Plus website or app. Visit the BET Plus website or download the BET Plus app on your device. Create an account by entering your email address and password. Select the subscription plan and start your 7-day free trial. Third-party platforms. BT Plus is also available through other streaming services. Amazon Prime Video channels. Add BT Plus as a channel if you're an Amazon Prime member. The Roku channel. Subscribe to BT Plus through Roku's premium subscriptions. Step 2. Enter payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card to activate the free trial. No charges will be applied during the trial, but auto-renewal will begin after 7 days if not canceled. Step 3. Start streaming BT Plus content. Once the trial is active, access BET Plus on smart TVs, tablets, mobile devices, and streaming platforms. Explore movies, TV shows, and exclusive BET Plus originals with ad-free streaming. Step 4. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Go to your account settings on the platform where you subscribed. Select Manage Subscription and choose Cancel Subscription. Cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends to avoid charges. Step 5. Check for promotions or discounts. BET Plus occasionally offers longer free trials through special promotions. Some platforms may have discounted first-month offers after the free trial ends. By following these steps, you can enjoy BET Plus for free during the trial period and decide if it's worth continuing.